we live. Alright. What's up? What's up? Hey y'all. Don't mind me how I look right now. Just came from cleaning. Commercial cleaning. This is what I do right now. See the shirt. Got the brand on right now. It's currently who I pretty much subcontract under. I got a Jam Pro franchise right now. Well, first, the point of why I'm making this video is someone told me, they gave me a heads up, hey, you need to document your journey. I'm like, man, I ain't got time to be, I don't have time. But really, I have all the time, really. All you gotta do is turn on the camera and record button, Same excuse everybody else got. Anyway, right now I'm in a Jam Pro franchise, and I could say, at this point, I've been in it for almost 3 years now. I could say, we pay the bills. Yeah, man, I told you, look. See, but look, I'm in my grind mode right now. I get my grind mode. You know what I'm saying? It ain't even about how it looks, it's about the, results. So anyway, back to what I was saying. So I've been in this franchise for 3 years, about since 2019, I want to say. And it's been an up and down ride, I really got into it to really just learn the industry. I wanted to learn, for one, how to clean. Two is, is this industry sustainable? Is it going, it's gonna last, the test of time until I figure out, what, am I gonna stay in this industry or not? Just kind of dipping and dabbling. But on my journey, trying to teach myself and learning from others, trying to teach myself, learn from others, study. I ran across this guy. His name is AJ Simmons, right? And pretty much he was just real raw with it. Like, he could catch my attention every time I see him post one of his videos. And he was pretty much doing like I'm doing, just turn the camera on and pretty much just document the journey. And I seen what he was doing, and he was with the franchise at the time. So I was in the military, so me being overseas and talking about coming home and starting a business, you pretty much got to know or know someone that's gonna pretty much mentor you along the way. But I really didn't know anyone with their own cleaning business, like actual business. My parents, they had a cleaning company, but not my parents, but my mom, she had a cleaning company or whatever. So I'm looking like, all right, well, I can come home and do that. But how they were running it, they were doing most of the work. So, you talking about business, you talking about having employees or contractors or people to do the work, or vast majority of the work. But anyway, and the way he was delivering, AJ Simmons was delivering his message, it was, it cut through to me. So over time, I'm watching his journey, and then he said, hey, I want to, teach some other people, just, let's consult. So he started consulting, whatever. And me, I'm one of those, I just need to see it and I'm going to learn it, right? So we ain't got to consult about nothing. But then he dropped a cleaner course, and it was like, okay, now we got some tangible stuff that I can hold on to, because we just talking. This is going to be, one ear and not the other. My hat all crooked and stuff. It's going to be one ear and not the other. So I'm like, okay. Bought the course. I don't know how much it was at the time, but it was well worth it. I think he should have had that thing 2 times the price of what it was, but he was still at the beginning of his journey or whatever too, so it was a fair price. So still knowledge that I didn't know. I bought the course, and it was like, okay, boom, game time, I'm ready. Oh, somebody blowing the horn. Anyway, boom, game time, I'm ready. I came home. When I first came home, you know, the original about 5,000 to 8,000, whatever, was saved up. Gone. Gone. Thinking I'm about to start my own independent company, and I'm about to give it all this attention, and I'm about to be around all these people and do all of this. Blew the bag fast. Kept a little bit to invest, but blew the bag fast. So here we go. Now we're looking at, okay, we got the knowledge, you know, we got the motivation, we got the mentorship. Now it's time to, you know, start a company. So I ended up going to the low entry end and I went with Jam Pro. And like I said, I just leave that story there. Like I said, up until now, it's been pretty much a learning stage. It's like a plateau. We are doing we have 5 buildings right now. So right now we're looking at 5 buildings start the week. I say about 2 to about 4.5 hours a day. Really 2 hours. Then maybe you got like 2 days out of the week, you might do 4.5 hours, maybe 5. Maybe stays red right now, so you know, easy work, light work. As far as employees up until this point, I'm back in the field full time. You know, over time we had employees come and go. We had one guy. It's funny because, funny story. So we had one guy that when I finally got to the point, I was like, I have enough work I can hire out. He came through to our interview process. I'm showing my parents how to, you know, hire employees, whatever, or subcontractors, however, you know, whichever route you go. And it was this white guy. Crazy, right? In the times we're living in. This is about 2019. About the end of 2019. I had my cleaning company about 4 or 5 months up to that point, something like that. And yeah, he lasted with us up until just the end of 2021. Right? We had, you know, plenty of people come and go, male and female, black, white. We haven't had too many Hispanics, crazy, right? But we had 1 or 2 here and there. But they were pretty much, you know, female, so they came and went. Some of them started their own operation and they went on and did their own thing. Yeah, man, I just wanted to start this video. I'm almost home, as y'all can tell I'm driving, so I just left the bank, getting some my business account stuff together. I'm getting into the digital space. I didn't want to drop that bomb. I'm getting into the digital space. It's pretty much see how much this cleaning, you know, see how much this cleaning industry has to offer. I think this cleaning industry was valued at like, what they say, like 90 billion, something like that. This was like 2020, I think. 90 billion. Think about it. Even if it wasn't even that high, it's somewhere in the billions. Like, I don't even think it's no lower than like 40 billion, 30 billion, something like that. But anyway, I need a fact check. But look it up. You'll see. Google is your best friend. But anyway, that's like I said, I'm almost home. This my name is J King. It's my first one that I'm really letting out to the world. I did a whole bunch of videos, but it's like kind of around, I say like around the first one. But for this channel, like, share, subscribe. So you gotta remember that stuff. Like, share, and subscribe, man. You know, I plan on doing plenty more of these videos. It's gonna be a lot more informative going forward, but